Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and I wanted to show you we're working on a Keystone Passport. We're actually replacing an awning on this one. And what I wanted to talk about was, there's a bunch more dirt behind this wall, and the guys haven't finished cleaning it up. But see how the holes are exposed? There was nothing back there to protect water from getting in, and that's the same at the top. They did use some putty tape at the top, but it still didn't protect the water from getting in all the way. So keep in mind, if you're having your awning repaired or replaced, if the awning arms are looking loose, double check those to make sure that there's no water or dirt, like in this example, getting back behind them. So this is all dirt that's got back behind the awning arm, and it can get in and it can damage the coach. It can go down through the floor into the walls and cause a lot of water damage. Here's actually the awning, the new awning arms, and we're replacing the fabric on the tube. So whenever you're looking at the tube, you always want to make sure that you get the data tag information. That helps us to identify everything about that awning. And we need that information when we're contacting the various suppliers to get the parts for these awnings. This particular one is a Dometic, which is also referred to as an A&E back in the day. This one was a 9100 electric series. The fabric is in that tube there on the ground. And as soon as the guys get time, they're gonna put that baby back together and get it back installed on this unit. So thanks so much for watching.